Next.
A group of Canadian Uyghurs are here trying to help, registering those wanting asylum in Canada. Organizers here tell us that in the past 3 days, more than 1,500 people have put in applications to leave. It's just another indication of how desperate people are to find a safe refuge. The longer they stay here in Turkey, the more difficult their situation. Their passports are expiring, and China is refusing to renew them, leaving them in limbo.
Okay, there is no way to get even like temporarily Chinese passport or anything. At the present, he is a stateless.
How common is his story, his example?
People I have interviewed so far, 100%. His case is just a rule. This is not an exception.
Turkey once granted Uyghurs citizenship, but that's become much more difficult. There is a level of desperation.
Yes, yes. You cannot open bank account, you cannot rent a house. You kind of like, we have been persecuted in China. We have thought that, once in Turkey we will be able to build a new life, but this is not the case.